Hello guys, my name is Dawn. My YouTube channel is Sarah G Bros, and today we are going to be doing special triangles 2. The 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. Topic 1. Review. Last week we studied the 45, 45, 90 right triangle. We learned that there was a specific relationship before this triangle. So that is that if we have a triangle, this is a 45 degree, 45, 90 degree triangle. And so that if this side is 1, that's the long side. Now what's the short sides? The answer is 1 over the square root of 2. And I'd recommend seeing the last video because this idea is going to be used a lot in this video. Okay? And so we can do that for any 45, 45 right triangle. Now what if we know that this is 5? The short side is 5. Well, what would this be? It's going to be 5 times the square root of 2. And then this is 5. Okay? So now you know what we did last time. So our first step for topic 2 is to discuss what is a 30, 60, 90 degree right triangle. So in our case, a 30, 60, 90 right triangle has 3 different lengths: the long, the short, and the medium. And so one angle is 30 degrees, one angle is 60, and one is 90 degrees. So let's draw one of these triangles, and we'll determine the sides. So this is 30, and this is 60, and then this is 90. Okay? So this is the long side, this is the short side, this is the medium side. So the long side, let's say, is 1. Now what is the short side? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to multiply. So it's going to be 1 times 1/2. And then what's the long side? The long side is 1 times the squared root of 3 over 2. Okay? Let's try another one. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So the length, or the long side, is 3. What are the other sides? Well, it's kind of easy. It's 3 times 1/2, and then it's 3 times the squared root of 3 over 2. Okay? So now we know how this kind of works. Okay? So, topic 3. Why does the 30, 60, 90 right triangle rule work? Consider an equilateral triangle with equal sides. Okay? So now we're going to do a little bit of labeling. So this is side C, this is side C. And then this is side C. This is A. This is point E. Okay, and so what we can do is we can draw a line through point from A through A here. Okay? So, and then you might have noticed this. 30 plus 60 plus 90 equals 180. Which, in a previous video we discovered that all sides of the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So then we can label these right here point X. So X, X, and X. Okay? So if that is true, then X plus X plus X equals 180, which is the same as 3X equals 180. And then that can be put into X equals 180 over 3, which is 60 when you divide. So that means yeah. So we drew our angle biactor through point A. Since the full angle was 60, half would be 30. Angle D is the 60, and angle B is 90. So triangle ADB is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Since line segment AB cuts line segment DE in half, and DE equals C, AB equals C times 1/2. By the Pythagorean theorem, AB squared plus equals C over 2 squared equals C squared. So AB squared plus C squared over 4 equals C squared. Okay? So now AB squared is equal to C squared minus C squared over 4. So now AB squared equals 4 over 4 C squared, 1c squared minus c over 4. So now ab squared equals 4 over 4 c squared minus 1 3 over 4 squared. Wait, that's c squared. So now a b squared equals 3c squared over 4. Now, the squared root of ab squared equals squared root of 3c squared over 4. Okay? So, AB equals square root of 3 times the square root of c squared over the squared root of 4. So the answer is AB equals square root of 3c over 2. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.